我的心中有一座湖，远山近水如画图，桃红柳绿春来早，可来可往船入谷。
Hangzhou is the capital of Zhejiang Province. It is one of the 7 Asian capital cities in China and used to be the capital of the Southern Song dynasty. Marco Polo, the famous traveler in the 13th century, admired Hangzhou for its exquisiteness and described it as the city of heaven, the most beautiful and magnificent in the world. As the host city of 2016 G20 Summit, Hangzhou has found itself in the global spotlight as one of China's leading innovation and technology hubs. In July 2019, archaeological ruins of Liangzhu City in Hangzhou was included in the World Heritage List, which traced China's history to late Neolithic period about 5,000 years ago. And today, in the 21st century, Hangzhou is still leaving its mark on the world stage. As one of the top tourist cities in China, Hangzhou attracts visitors not only for the poetic delights of its West Lake, Longjing tea, and silk, but also for its rapid development in digital economy and technological innovations. As the birthplace of China's e-commerce, the first city to propose the smart city brain, and the first cashless city in China, Hangzhou has taken the lead in China's digital economy. The city is now home to many world-famous high-tech enterprises, such as e-commerce giants Alibaba and Ant Financial.